Howdy folks, it's Donal Ward McCarthy here, just coming to you in the new year. Happy New Year and happy new decade, started 2020. So as we do every month, we're just looking back at Junction Triangle, your neighbourhood over particularly December sales. We're also going to be looking at the most expensive home and the least expensive home that's sold in Junction Triangle in 2019. And we're also going to look at the last 6 months, what have been the sales, average sale price for the houses, what's the highest sale price, on average how quickly are products selling, and is product selling above or below what the asking prices is. It helps us determine whether it's a buyer or seller's market. So let's dig in. So first off, the least expensive house that sold in Junction Triangle in 2019 was 265 Symington Avenue. A property that sold for $735,000. That sold back that was in September. November, sold in November. Took a while to sell this one. It was in very, very rough shape, so it took a bit longer to sell. The most expensive house in the Junction Triangle, we spoke about it during the year. It was a smaller home, but it was detached on Campbell Avenue, 268 Campbell Avenue, fully renovated, sold for 1.35 million, so 1,350,000. So that's the least and most expensive houses that sold in Junction Triangle in 2019. There is a link below where you can download all of these charts, which we're going through. Now, let's look at the last 6 months in Junction Triangle. So this is a kind of a bigger picture. We pull out and not look at 1 month sales, but we look at what the last 6 months sales have done to get a better idea of whether our market is in a seller's market, a buyer's market, where exactly are we. So when we look at detached, semi-detached and townhome sales in Junction Triangle for the last 6 months of 2019, there were 19 sales. So again, our supply is very tight. We've got a neighbourhood of probably about 1,200 residences, and when you have only 19 sales, that's supply is really tight, which again keeping our prices up. So of those 19 sales, the average price was just over $1 million at $1,018,000. The highest sale price that occurred in the last 6 months in Junction Triangle was $1,307,000. And the average days on market was only 12, and on average stuff was selling 10% above the listing price. So again, that multiple offer auction style sale is still working in our neighbourhood, stuff selling in under 2 weeks. So again, strong indicator that we are in a seller's market. So of course, if you are on the side and thinking of possibly selling, 2020 is expected to be a very similar year, even stronger in terms of sales and price growth. So do reach out to us. It's Donal Ward McCarthy if you are thinking of selling in the next 12 months in Junction Triangle. Thanks so much again. Donal Ward McCarthy, Keller Williams, coming to you next month as well too in February. Take care. Ciao, ciao.